Hi, my name is Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I wanted to go over 4 lies that roofing contractors will tell business owners. And we made this post so when you get multiple roofing quotes, you're aware of what people are telling you and what they're submitting so you can make the best decision for your company. I wanted to go through one quick scenario. So you're at a car dealership, you're gonna buy car number 1 or car number 2. Car number 1 is $10,000, has no Carfax, and not really many financing options. Car number 2 is $1,000 more expensive. You know the Carfax, and the dealership tells you that it's priced more because it's got new tires, new brakes, and it passed their 5-star inspection. Now, one would think most people would pick option number 2 because you have a bigger picture of what you're actually buying. Car 1's kind of a gamble. You have no idea, and car number 2, you know everything. So I wanted to bring that real quick. That's kind of what I'm gonna do here with these 4 lies here. So when you get all the quotes, you have a more clear picture of what you're gonna be looking for and what you should pick. So lie number one is in-house workers. So some contractors will be out there and they'll say, yeah, we have 6 people and but I know your job requires 20 people. Where are the other 14 workers coming from? You may want to ask them that question. They might try to outsource some labor, partner with a different company. It's kind of just a gamble when they don't have all their own people under their own roof. So I advise you to find a roofing contractor that has all the workers. They're all in the same umbrella, they have all the same training, they work together. It's probably beneficial to have a roof done by those instead of the other. Line number 2 is cheaper prices. And I'm not gonna lie, everyone wants to pay cheaper for everything, but it's where the value comes in. And 2 questions I would advise you to ask a business owner or ask the roofing contractor. Why your price is lower. If they say, well, we rush our jobs quick and we don't pay our workers enough time, that's really not a question that reflects quality of the roof being done. Now, on the other hand, if you get a quote that's higher than someone else, ask that contractor why your price is higher. If they give you an answer, say like we do more details around the metalwork, or we pay attention to penetrations and we use top of line materials, it's something that would instill value and something that would justify paying more expensive for it. So just be aware of that when it's out there. Number 3 is 100% tear off. Some contractor will say, yeah, this roof is in bad order, we need to tear it all off, and here's how much it costs. Well, where's the proof in that? Show me some photos, show me where it's leaking, show me that half the roof is underwater, whatever it may be, but someone is automatically telling you, yeah, you gotta tear this off. They might be just fishing for more money out of you, so make sure you're getting that stuff back and getting that report back from the contractor before you sign up and doing a complete tear off. And the 4th thing is warranties. Warranties all differ. Some are labor only, some are material only, some are both. Some are prorated to where if you get a 20-year warranty, after 10 years, you're still on the hook for half the payment. Just warranties are all different out there, so when they tell you that, a warranty covers everything, make sure what they're telling you in person that it's also in writing as well. So some contractors will tell you, yeah, we cover everything, and that's not necessarily true. So make sure you get all those hard facts down in paper too. So that's it for today. I know I went through a lot. If you want to learn more, in the description there's the URL to the full blog post. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.